Hello everyone and welcome to the second video from Math in 2 minutes. Today we will be talking about writing numbers up to 20. So in math, instead of using words, we use symbols to represent numbers as follow. So 1 is written like this, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Here you can see how it's written using symbols, and here is written with words. After that comes 11, then 12. Then from 13 to 19, all of them ends with teen. So this is 13, 3, 13. Instead of 4, it's gonna be 14, like this. 15 instead of 5. 16, 17, 18, 19, and finally, this is a 20. Now, let's practice these examples. Write the number 12 in words. So, if you want to write this number, 1, 2, which is 12 in words, you write it like this. What about question 2? What number comes after 19? 19 is written like this. After 19 comes 20. So this is how you write it using symbols, or it's the same as 20 in words. Match this number to its word. This is a 7. That's it for today. See you next time. Pandabood.